Unlock the power of Microsoft Excel. 5 hidden AI features revealed. Number 3 will blow your mind. Microsoft Excel now has powerful AI features. Here are 5 incredibly useful AI features that you probably didn't know existed. Number 3 is my favorite. Feature number 1, enhanced analytical abilities, easily review, filter, format, sort, and edit data with just a few simple prompts. Enjoy instant data manipulation at your fingertips. Feature number 2, quick conditional formatting, easily apply conditional formatting and make sheet-wide updates with just one prompt. Feature number 3, creating engaging charts, easily generate professional and captivating charts by using sales data from an existing file. Feature number 4, identifying key insights. Visualize the key insights obtained from a large dataset and add them to a new grid. Feature number 5, Python integration in Excel. Python and Excel combines Python's powerful data analysis and visualization libraries with Excel. Manipulate and explore data in Excel using Python plots and libraries, and then use Excel's formulas, charts to further refine your insights.